Hello and welcome to this short yoga session where all poses are done from seated position so that you can practice anytime, anywhere, even without a yoga mat. We will begin in a cross-legged seat. Ground your sit bones down, lengthen the spine and place your hands on top of the knees. Lean your upper body forward and begin to circle it in one direction. Slowly making the circles bigger and bigger, warming up your hips and spine. Change direction and move a few times to the other side. Paying attention to the sensations in your body, noticing if you feel tight or tense anywhere. Bring your upper body back to center. On the inhale, lift your heart, look up, pull the shoulders back. Exhale, round the back and drop your chin down to the chest. Inhale to lift, lengthen, and exhale round again, moving through cat and cow with your breath. Come back to stillness. Place your left hand on top of your left shoulder and begin to roll your elbow up, back and down, making shoulder circles and involving your upper back as well. Adding a little twist as you circle the arm back. One more circle and release your arm. Straighten your right leg out to the side, pull your left heel closer to the groin. Keep the right leg engaged, the foot flexed, toes point up. Place your right hand on the shin and reach your left arm up and over the head into side bend. We will add a little flow here. With inhale, release your left hand behind you, lift your hips up and reach your right arm back over the head. With exhale, sit down to the floor and straighten your left arm up and over the head into side bend. Moving with the breath. Inhale, lift the hips, lift the chest. And exhale, sit down into side bend. Move in your own tempo. You can be faster or slower than me. Find the pace that feels good here. Repeat it one more time. And we will meet back in side bend. Take a deep, calm inhale and a slow exhale. Another inhale and exhale. Slowly release this position. Come back into cross-legged seat. We will repeat the shoulder circles, so place your right fingertips on top of your shoulder and begin to circle your elbow up, back and down. Slowly making the circles bigger and bigger and gently twisting in the upper back as you pull your elbow back. Just one more time. And release. Straighten your left leg out to the side. Pull your right heel closer to the groin. The left foot stays flexed, left hand on the shin and right arm reaches over the head. With your next inhale, release your right hand down behind you, lift your chest, lift your hips, reach your left arm back. Exhale, sit back to the floor and come back into side bend. Move with your breath in your own tempo. Come back into side bend and take another 1 or 2 deep breaths. Slowly release. Come back into cross-legged seat. Sit up nice and tall. Relax your shoulders. Drop your chin down to the chest and circle your head slowly from one shoulder to another. Making half circles, stretching the back and sides of the neck. Slowly bring your head back to center. And for a wide-legged forward bend, straighten your legs out to the side. Point and flex your feet a couple times. Then keep your feet pointed like ballerina feet. Ground your sit bones down. Keep the chest lifted and walk your hands forward, leaning into forward bend. Stay in the middle, breathe in and out. Then walk your hands towards your right foot. Lean in your torso, your chest more towards the right leg. Slowly change sides. Lean towards your left leg. Another deep breath or two. And come back through center. Find your cross-legged seat again. Release your hands to the knees. Close your eyes for a moment to finish with one more breath together. Inhale, reach your arms out and up, stretch up. And exhale, bring your palms together to your heart. Put a gentle smile on your face and open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope this short session make a difference in your body and mind. I wish you a great day and see you in the next video. Bye!